Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool for anyone who needs precise measurements in their projects, the BOSCH GLM100-23 100-foot blaze laser distance measure. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BOSCH GLM100-23? This is a compact laser distance measure designed to help you accurately measure distances up to 100 feet with impressive precision. It's particularly handy for professionals in construction, interior design, or even DIY enthusiasts looking to streamline their measuring tasks. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this laser measure a must-have. First and foremost, it boasts extreme accuracy, measuring distances up to 100 feet to within 1/16 inch. Whether you're working in meters, feet, or inches, this laser measure provides options for both fractions and decimals, making it versatile for various applications. One of the great things about the GLM100-23 is its user-friendly design. It features a straightforward two-button operation, one button for measuring and another for rounding. This simplicity means you can get your measurements quickly and efficiently, without having to navigate through complicated menus or settings. Additionally, this device utilizes a Class II laser with a wavelength of 635 nanometers and less than 1 milliwatt, ensuring that you get accurate readings without any hassle. The laser is bright enough for use in various lighting conditions, and the backlit display with large icons makes it easy to read the measurements, even in darker areas. This is an upgrade from its predecessor, the GLM20, which means you'll have an even better user experience. Portability is another key feature of the BOSCH GLM100-23. Its compact size allows you to easily carry it in your pocket, making it a convenient tool for on-the-go measurements. This feature is particularly beneficial for professionals who need to move around job sites frequently or for anyone who simply wants a reliable measuring tool readily available. The rounding button is another thoughtful addition to the design. It allows users to round the measurement result from half an inch up to 1/32 inch, which can be incredibly useful in situations where you want to simplify your calculation or when precision is key for your project. Now, who is this product suitable for? The BOSCH GLM100-23 is perfect for a wide range of users. From contractors and builders to architects and interior designers, this tool is designed to meet the needs of professionals who require quick and accurate measurements. It's also great for DIY enthusiasts who appreciate having a reliable measuring tool for home improvement projects. Speaking of practical use cases, let's consider a few scenarios where the GLM100-23 shines. Imagine you're a contractor measuring the dimensions of a room for a renovation project. With the laser measure, you can quickly determine the length and width of the space, ensuring you purchase the right amount of materials without any guesswork. Similarly, if you're an interior designer looking to find the perfect placement for furniture, this tool allows you to measure distances accurately, helping you visualize the layout before making any commitments. In another instance, let's say you're hanging artwork or shelves. The BOSCH GLM100-23 can help you determine the right height or spacing without the hassle of a traditional tape measure, allowing for a more efficient and enjoyable experience. In conclusion, the BOSCH GLM100-23 100-foot blaze laser distance measure is an excellent investment for anyone who values convenience and accuracy in their measuring tasks. With its user-friendly design, portability, and impressive features, it stands out as a reliable